Well, hello, Spyder Wayne here, and it is Monday, March 31st. And today, I plan on doing a battery transplant in silver here. His old ticker just doesn't have much left in it. Stick around. Okay, first things first. I am not sponsored, nor am I affiliated with anybody whatsoever. This battery is bought with my own money, and I hope to successfully get it installed on my Spyder here. All right, so when I decided to buy a battery, the first place I want to go and look is what's BRP selling for this Spyder. I mean, it's their machine, and when I pulled it up online, it was a Yuasa battery, and their price was $189.95. Ouch. So plus tax, that would have been over $200. So yeah, the price just was like, ooh. So next step is start looking on Amazon. And the battery I found here, there you go. It came in an Amazon box, and inside the Amazon box, which I haven't opened yet, is the battery. And the reviews on it were pretty good. So I thought, I'm going to give this a go. It's only $55 plus tax-free delivery. So 8% tax in my region. It was $59 and change, under $60 for a battery. So, are the specs any good? Well, the following specs are the same on BRP's website for the Yuasa battery as what's in here. It is a 12-volt battery, obviously, 21 amps wet. It has 350 CCA, cold cranking amps. So does the BRP one on their website. The one in my Spyder only has 300 cold cranking amps, and it doesn't have it anymore. The size of this battery is 6.37 inches high. It is 8.07 inches long, and it's 3.42 inches wide. So let's unbox it and see what we have here. It's packaged really good. Double cardboard all the way around. Styrofoam on the top. A scan code for registration. 2 screws and 2 nuts for the battery pulls. Let's get this battery out of here. I don't see any other paperwork. Nope. All right. Take my trusty dandy multimeter. Let's see how it measures up coming out of the box. It did say it's fully charged, ready to go online, so we'll see. 13.05. I don't know if that'll show up in there or not. It's 13.05. So fresh out of the box, it's ready to go. Time to get this installed. All right, so there's my battery tender. We'll just tuck that down. The battery is behind this liner. So we'll unzip the liner. Pull the liner forward, and I don't know if that shows, but here's the battery cover. Now, normally, everyone else who has a Spyder, here and here, there's normally 2 screws, a T30 Torx. I replaced those thanks to a gift from the Smyrna Cowboy last year with these wing nuts. These are real nice. Take them off by hand. 2 wing nuts. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description down below that I did find a set of 4 of those. I didn't buy those. Like I said, those were a gift from Dave, the Smyrna Cowboy. Thanks again, Dave. But I found them on Amazon. I think it's about $5 for a package of 4. All right, the battery cover just pops out and off. So now, to get the battery out, there's kind of a big rubber band here. It's hooked onto a lip. I'll lift that up, and this top plate, which holds it in, comes straight out. And the only tool I'm going to need is a 10 millimeter socket to remove the battery. The first one we remove is the negative, the black, the ground. So got one screw out, we'll get the other one out. Got it. Oh, easy peasy. It just leans forward and comes out. Okay, before I put the new one in, I just want to get the nut and the screw on the front here. So the nut slides in sideways. Oh, good. It's a nice snug fit. That's the negative side screw in. So that the nut should stay there when I take that screw off. Same with this one, get it lined up. There we go. Turn my multimeter off. Don't need it anymore. Okay, so that's ready to go in. So the battery will seat itself between a back little plate and a front plate here. So they're metal, so as long as it gets in there, it'll be good and sturdy. Get the battery seated in there. There, seated. There we go. Okay, so tighten that one up. Before I attach anything else, make sure the bike's working. Lights come on. Clear the message. Looking like it's a good battery. So the rubber band will come up and hook onto this lip, but this has to go in first, be seated in there. Just slide it straight in, kind of keep it centered, and it should, yep, there. Pull the band up. Good, it ain't going anywhere. So now the cover and the two wing nuts. It seats itself in the hole, and snug them up hand tight. So there's my battery tender ready to go. We'll zip up the liner. We're done. All right, so there's the old battery. It's the Haijiu, H-A-I-J-I-U. I don't know how many years BRP was putting these into the Spyders. Like I said, the forums, nothing much good said about these batteries. So I hope that helps, and if you've stuck around till now, thank you so much, and until next time, please take care.